About to cross the mighty Mississippi River here
into Tennessee.
Roger. Frequencies are all loaded. We're talking Memphis Center. We got tower in standby, and we'll go ahead and switch up. Put the Jackson VOR up in number 1. We're receiving that. We're 48 miles out. We'll go ahead and get our landing light on. All the other lights are on. We don't need ice protection.
857 Whiskey Delta, radar contact about 7 miles southeast of Tires, sir.
Sort of a terminal arrival area.
Maintain, looks like
That's
a
3,000.
Now the McKellar altimeter is 3010.
That's within 30 miles.
Up to 11,000 cleared as filed, 3010, 7 Whiskey Delta.
7 Whiskey Delta, 1313,000.
Sorry about that, 1313,000, 7 Whiskey Delta.
18 Yankee Foxtrot, traffic is 11 o'clock, 5 miles eastbound, just left 7,700, 5,000 is a banana.
Looking, 18 Yankee Foxtrot.
1546 Foxtrot, traffic's 2 o'clock, 5 miles northeastbound, level to 10,000. Will be descending here momentarily once I get done with this. Is Vision Jet right now at 10,000, will be descending to 8 momentarily.
Okay, we're looking for the traffic, Bonanza 46 Foxtrot.
Center FedEx 25, request free speed if able.
And FedEx 25, speed your discretion, make the published at L-Town.
FedEx 25, look up.
We'll plan to fly this approach in the standard Bonanza configuration once we get set up.
Squawk VFR, change to advisory is approved. Change of towers approved.
Got a nice long runway there. Over 6,000 feet. We will be exiting left, probably at Delta, to go to the self-serve tanks. I brought the power back just to keep the descent smooth and underneath, below the yellow arc.
18 Yankee Foxtrot has
Pretty
failed
smooth
his
ride.
I 18 Yankee Foxtrot, sorry about that, clear visual approach to Dyersburg.
Clear visual Dyersburg, 18 Yankee Foxtrot.
1546 Foxtrot, send to maintain 3,000.
3,000, 46 Foxtrot.
November 46 Foxtrot, clear direct to Stuka, set up for the RNAV to 2.
Direct to Stuka, 46 Foxtrot.
02 Papa, go ahead. November 8902 Papa, go ahead. Well, that's because I forgot to send you to the south side. 02 Papa, you can actually change it 134.65 for me. You won't be over here very long, but 34.65.
Memphis Center, good morning.
Okay, we're 10 minutes, just outside 10 minutes to Stuka.
4,000 with the weather at McKellar.
Destination ASOS is 119.3.
3016, radar service terminated, contact Cape Tower 125.52. FedEx 25, contact Memphis approach 125.8.
125.8, FedEx 25.
For 46 Foxtrot, maintain at or above 3,000 till Stuka, cleared RNAV runway 2 approach, McKellar.
3,000 till Stuka, then clear the RNAV runway 2 approach. Bonanza 46 Foxtrot, thank you.
857 Whiskey Delta, climb and maintain.
Yeah, we're clear for the approach, so we're going to set up our VNAV once we get level to 3,200. At 3,000, excuse me. Power back.
8902 Papa, contact Memphis approach 125.8.
125.8, 02 Papa.
On direct to initial fix, so the approach is now active. We're about 6.5 minutes from Stuka. Not quite on the plate. A few bumps here below this scattered layer. Pretty typical. After Stuka, it's a 5-mile leg at 3,000. That checks. We turn inbound at 3,000, and then we go down to 2,100 at the final approach fix of Clip. We're expecting to get LPV to 772, which is set. We have a visual descent point, but we won't be using that because we should have vertical guidance. Pretty much set up in the happy place here around 18 inches. I'm doing about 125 knots. Clean.
46 Foxtrot. You can actually, number 2 is the Learjet swinging around for about a 5-mile pace right now. That's a killer.
Okay, if you need anything on speed, let me know, 46 Foxtrot.
He should be well in front of you, actually. It's trying to let you know you might see him out there turning. He's just about to turn final right now.
Okay, thank you, 46 Foxtrot. And we're about 3 minutes, 15 seconds from Stuka.
Roger.
I've got ground 20.9 dialed in to number 2. The airport in sight out there. Quick check to see if we can spot that airplane out there, but nope, he's not showing up. And we're now about a minute from Stuka, 2.5 miles. Stable. Autopilot is armed. VNAV and approach modes are standing by.
7133 Victor, Memphis Center, the trend in altimeters 3014.
Next course will be about 113. To Ziffo.
46 Foxtrot train, radar service terminated. Contact Keller Tower 127.15.
Switching to tower, thanks for your help today, 46 Foxtrot.
Check the tower, calling 1945 X-ray, midfield 2002.
Skyline 45 X-ray, runway 2, cleared to land.
2 clear to land, 45 X-ray.
Well, McKellar Tower, Bonanza 1546 Foxtrot, just turning at Stuka on the RNAV, runway 02.
Check to 6 without delay, cross runway 20. Bonanza 1546 X-ray, Jackson Tower, good morning. Report GLIP, wind 040 at 9 or altitude 3010.
And we'll report GLIP, it's Bonanza 1546 Foxtrot. And we'll be turning inbound here in about another minute and 20 seconds at Ziffo. Then our next altitude will be, we'll stay at 3,000 till GLIP, across GLIP at 2100. Here comes our VPath. There's the annunciation. I'm going to wait on the flaps, and we have a pretty long final. Turning to 025, which is the final approach course. Almost 023. Difference between the GPS and the compass heading here. And VPath active.
I need to cross the approach in the runway 29.
Check to 6, cross runway 29 approach.
Crossing 29 approach.
Starting our descent speed
Skyline
checks approach
45
flaps.
X-ray, turn left at Delta. Are you going to the ramp or going back out for departure?
Going to the ramp.
Delta 45 X-ray, turn left at Delta, Delta to the ramp to frequency. And are you familiar with the airport?
Yes, ma'am.
All right then.
Now 2.5 minutes to GLIP. Glide path coming into view. LPV is enunciated. Going to 772. Okay, 200 to go. Just about a mile to GLIP. 35 seconds. Good. Approach flaps, mixtures rich, props at 25. gear will come down as we intercept the glide path here in just a second. Slight crosswind from the right. Glide path. Glide path, speed checks, gear.
November 46 Foxtrot, what's your position?
Just a clip, just about to call you.
Right, I bet you say that to all the girls. 46 Foxtrot, runway 2, clear to land, wind 050 at 10.
Clear to land, runway 2, I'll be going to the self-serve pumps, 46 Foxtrot. All right, we are in our happy place, 110 knots on glide path. We'll set our missed approach altitude at 3,000. Runway's in sight. Don't need to turn on any lights or anything. About 18 inches, manifold pressure, 2,500 RPM. We're doing about 110 on the glide path. Slight crosswind from the right. Pre-long final. In the groove. On center line, on glide path, on speed, we're configured 3 green approach flaps, mixtures rich props at 25. We'll go to full flaps at 500.
3 mile final runway 02.
Still on speed on center line on glide path. Start slow in here. Autopilot's coming off. 500 feet.
555 Lima Jackson ground, good morning. I have an IFR. Did you want to pick it up?
Still 3 green.
Seneca 55 Lima, you are cleared to the Alpha Alpha Foxtrot Airport as filed. Maintain 3,000. Expect 7,000 within 10 minutes after departure. Departure frequency Memphis Center 134.65, squawk 1325.
Slightly high. We're landing. Slowing.
Seneca 555 Lima, read back correct. Runway 2, if you could taxi via Charlie Alpha. Wind 060 at 10, altimeter 3010. Well, I tell you what, I got an aircraft landing right now. It's going to be coming off at Delta going to the fuel. If you want to wait a minute or two, because he's touching down right now, you can do Delta Alpha, your choice. All right. November 1546 Foxtrot, turn left at Delta. Delta to the fuel pumps, this frequency.
Left at Delta, Delta to the fuel pumps with you, 46 Foxtrot.
46 Foxtrot, and we'll verify you are familiar with the airport.
Well, I've never been here before, but I got the chart out and I can see the fuel pumps.
All right, then you let me know if you need my help.
Wilco, 46 Foxtrot.